on our left, we just passed by Elm Street. The house on your right is featured in the best little courthouse in Texas. And these sets have also been featured in one of my favorite TV shows, Murder, She Wrote, starring Dave and Angela Lansbury. Aw, it's a table as old as time. We're now making our way through Colonial Street. It is the most desirable filming location on our backlot. This is where we film TV shows, commercials, music videos. We even host live events here. A number of new projects here, like The Burbs, starring National Treasure and Entertainer of the Year, Keke Palmer, as well as This Being the Neighborhood, where Ted and John live, in the new Ted TV series.
Let the festivities begin. How many we got? Well, let's see. We got 20 kindness. Fantastic.